Hello everyone! Today I decided to make a video in English. Yeah, because I need to practice this language and I love it. You know, when I have a chance to speak English, I just feel free. I don't know how to explain that, but still. Yeah, today I want to talk about a scent which I decided to make the scent of the day because I wanted something floral, but you know, with like powder and some maybe violet vibe, maybe like violets or something like that. And I remember that I have a sample of Washwasha by Lattafa. I will show you how the bottle looks like in a second. Yeah, and you know, this scent is just so powder, but at the same time it's just fresh. It starts getting me fresh vibes. Yeah. So I chose this one is the scent of the day, and I will tell you why. Because I wanted something soft like silk. I watched a video of this girl, you know, Mila LeBlanc, if you know her, and she talked about some Lattafa perfumes, and the one she mentioned she compared with silk, and I just felt that I wanted something like silk for today. And yeah, I chose this one. I remembered about this, maybe because of my nail color as well. I just wanted something violet, but still. And I will tell you that I learned more about this scent and realized that it's a really complex scent with a lot of ingredients, and sometimes you smell something and think, oh, it's so simple, but it's really not. It can have dozens of notes, dozens of ingredients, and this combination gives you something really simple and understandable. So let me read the notes. I put them down. So the first note, which is surprising, is the raspberry. You know, I didn't smell any raspberry here, but still. Let me just respray it again. Yeah, it smells like berries. You know, when you read these notes, you just start smelling the thing. Yeah. Then they have mentioned pink pepper and bitter orange. I can say that it's citrusy. Yeah, it's the top notes are pretty light, citrusy and raspberry. And when you learn more about the scent, you just start understanding it more. And in the middle notes we have tuberose, jasmine, friendship, orange blossom, osmanthus, and neroli. You know, when I smell neroli, I always recognize it, but here I don't know. It just so mixed, in a smallest amount, I think that you cannot really get the scent of the note, but you get the scent of the composition, and this is the magic of perfumery, I think. And in the base we have a lot of sweet things and balsamic notes like tonka beans, vanilla, benzoin, musk, which I love in the scents because it gives it so clean vibe, and sharpness. I love musk in the scents, you know. Cashmere tree and amber. Amber, this is the one I love in all my perfumes. So I guess the number, let me count actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, around 14 notes to make this little baby, you know. And I think it's so good. I read about it that it's not long lasting, it's just like mediocre in a good sense, like middle lasting power. Average, I would think average is the better word for describing it. Average lasting power, and also the foliage is also average, but you know, I often come across such a thing that people smell the scent on me, but I don't smell it already, so it's okay. I think you will feel so safe if you use it, and for any occasion, like any. because of the osmanthus and the white florals in this scent, you know, it's really memorable. So if you want to use it for some events, bad or good, you should understand that if you use this scent again, you will remember this event, you know. So I would not recommend to wear any perfume for bad events, but it's up to you. But for good events, of course, you can use it. You know, it would be great wedding perfume, but still it have some plasticky vibe now. You know, on my skin exactly, I feel a little bit plastic, but the plastic from Thierry Mugler Alien. Yeah, it's like the same as Alien. You know, I checked the comparisons, and some people compare it with Roberta Cavalli original, like this yellow bottle scent, and also someone compared it with Delina, which I think is not the right one, but it depends on your nostrils abilities. And also I would compare it with Alien, you know. Yeah, this plasticky vibe, it gives me the same plasticky vibe, like purple plastic. You know how bottles influence us, right? And the color of the liquid. So, I think in general this scent is so good. Let me know if you tried it before and if you want to try it too. And also, have a nice day and see you. Bye.